What is up, guys? So today's video I'm going to show you all how to break down wood, whether you're in the wilderness, whether you're camping. You see a lot of people, they like to use a saw, they like to use an axe, but I don't see any need for that. Let me show you guys a cool method on how to break down wood very easily. Check this out, guys. What you do is just use leverage. The key here is leverage. Put it in between another tree, right? And just use leverage. That's one. Got that. Couple inches thick, you're good. And then yeah, I want to thank you all for watching my video. Please subscribe and push on that little notification button so that when I post new videos such as this, you guys can check them out. Thanks for watching, and peace out.